Hi guys, today I'm going to make this Google Chrome logo in ADOBE Illustrator. So first of all, open ADOBE Illustrator and create a new artboard. Now go to ellipse tool, add stroke color and remove fill color. Now click anywhere in the artboard and make an ellipse with width and height of 300 pixels. Click on OK. Again go to ellipse tool and click anywhere in the artboard. This time make an ellipse with width and height of 100 pixels. Click on OK. And make another ellipse with width and height of 135 pixels and click on OK. Now go to selection tool and select all of these circles. Click on horizontal align center and then vertical align center. Now go to pen tool and click on the top anchor point of the middle circle. Now press and hold shift key and click on the path of the biggest circle and make a triangle like this. Now go to selection tool and select the triangle. Go to rotate tool, press and hold alt key, click right center of the circle and set an angle of 120 degree. Click on copy. Now press and hold Ctrl and press D to make another copy of it. Now select the whole shape. Go to shape builder tool. Click and drag to make each portion a separate shape. And delete these extras from the middle circle. Now go to selection tool and select a part of the shape. And by using ADOBE tool, choose the color. I have already selected some colors. Now click on the small triangle and select the same color by using ADOBE tool. Now select the next portion of the shape. And by using ADOBE tool, fill the color and continue the process. Now go to selection tool and select the inner small circle, and by using ADOBE tool, fill the color. Now select the small triangle, go to color guide, click on color and select the dark shades of the color. Now go to green color, select the green color from the color guide and select the dark green color from the shades, and similarly with the red one. Now select all of these three triangles, go to opacity and reduce opacity up to 80%. Now your Google Chrome logo is ready. Thank you very much.